Alright, here we are. We're on chapter 4, which is posting from a journal to a general ledger. This is page 1 of your notes. Alright, so let me give you a brief explanation here. So we had the journal that we learned in chapter 3. Basically that took all transactions that took place and put them in one location, which would be on a journal, and it put them in chronological order. Okay, so the order by date, so that everything is in one spot. It's organized. It's easy to see. Now, what you need to do now is take everything from this journal and organize it by an account. So, meaning by supplies, anything transaction that affects the supplies will be put in one location. Anything that affects cash, all the cash ones are put together, so you can actually review each account individually. So that's the purpose of a general ledger. Alright, so let's take a look real quick. Alright, we're going to talk about setting up general ledgers. So on your notes there, it says there are 2 steps to setting up your general ledgers. So your notes are here. You have steps to opening a general ledger. Now let me show you kind of how it works. Alright, so you have your general ledger. Okay, this is what a general ledger looks like. It is an account that's just going to have it's just for one account. And you're going to take your chart of accounts that we've learned about, and you are going to open up a general ledger for every account found on your chart of accounts. So there's 2 basic steps, pretty easy steps. One is you take the account name. Okay, so you would look on your chart of accounts and you can see cash right there, and you would place it right where you see there on the screen. You would place the account name of cash. So now this account is only going to have cash transactions in it. And the second step is you take the account number, so 110 for cash, and you put it right there. Those are the 2 basic steps to opening an account, opening a general ledger account. Now here's the thing, you have to do it for every account located on your chart of accounts. So let's take a look here. On your notes, so those were the 2 steps I just showed you. You're going to put those here. And then down here, what I need you to do now is you're going to use this chart of accounts that you see here, and you have your general ledgers below that. You're going to open an account for every account found on your chart of accounts. Okay, so there are, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts up here. You actually have 8 down here, so you have plenty of general ledgers to open the accounts. Alright, that's all you're doing for the first page of the notes. The 2 steps, and then opening up all the accounts, the general ledger accounts from the chart of accounts.